Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to seam these two squares together using your crochet hook. In previous tutorials I've shown you seaming techniques that use a yarn needle, but I know some people prefer to seam using their crochet hook, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using the single crochet stitch. To get started, we're going to take our crochet hook and our yarn, and we're going to put a slip knot in the yarn. For this tutorial I am using a contrasting colour, but you probably want to use a colour that matches the edges that you're working. I'm going to pop that slip knot onto our hook and pull it tight. Now we're going to take the squares that we're working and we're going to put them together with the right sides facing. And we're going to put a standing single crochet into these corner stitches. So we're going to insert the hook into the corner stitch, which is this one here, and also into the back square, like so. We're going to take our yarn and we're going to yarn over and pull through both of those stitches and get that tail out of the way. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Into the next two stitches, which is this one here and this one here, we're going to work a single crochet. So we're going to go through that first stitch under both loops and then into the back stitch under both loops again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. So it's quite simple. We're just working a single crochet through both of these stitches, in the front, into the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. And we're going to do that all the way across. I'm going to finish my square so you can see exactly what it looks like when it's done. So I've just finished seaming my two squares together. As you can see, it does create this really sort of neat uniform look. I do really like this. The only downside to this stitch is on the back you do end up with this sort of thick single crochet ridge, which is fine for some projects, but it's not ideal for all of them. So if you are looking for a sort of flatter seaming technique, I do recommend the whip stitch, which you can find right here. For that you're going to need a yarn needle rather than a crochet hook, but it is really easy. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I will see you in the next one.